it. And then the little lady girl was making a gingerbread. What, chicken? No.
Ew.
A gingerbread.
I know how to read it.
A gingerbread
Let's listen to
man.
him read it.
And then we was making a head, a hand, the other hand, and a feet, your body. And then we put a chocolate for the eyes, and for the nose, and for a mouth, and for the dot. And then become a gingerbread man. And
Go out.
And then it was trying to get him yummy, delicious. Come back here! No! On the gingerbread man, you can't catch me. On the gingerbread man. And then you're looking here, Jacoby. Are you looking? And then come back here. I want to eat you.
I just want to see it.
So be quiet. Download our lorry.
I just want to read it.
And come back here. I want to eat you. No, you can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Stop. You can't catch me on the gingerbread man. And then the cat and the dog. Woof, woof, meow. And the cat is trying to talk. Up on the mic. You can't catch me on the gingerbread man. You and all the man, the little, and the lady girl, and the boy, and the girl, and the dog. You can't catch me. I can run fast. And he tried to run on a river. Hop onto my back. You can catch me. I'll eat you. No. Hop onto my nose. I'm not going to eat you, I promise. Yeah, I ate you. The end.
Yay!
Let me see it. Let me see it. I want to try another video.
No one see it.
I have to stop it. Hold on.